In a lot of ways, Freddie, you seemed like the missing link when you signed for Wolves. How hopeful were you of bringing your Southend form to Molineux?
Yeah, when I first signed, it seems a long time ago now. Obviously, we're at the end of the season, so yeah, it's been a good season, I think, for me because internationally I've done really well, and when I first come out, obviously I've done really well here. But it's been disappointing as well because obviously I haven't played as much as I would have liked to. But I'd have liked to bring a lot more goals, obviously, to the side. But I think I needed to play to do that.
And you had a great start. Everything seemed to go right in August, both with Wolves and with Wales.
Yeah, definitely. I come here after we got the pre-season out of the way. I started scoring, and that's obviously what I wanted to do. From leaving Southend scoring, I wanted to come here and score, and I was doing that.
How frustrating is it at times to find yourself on the fringes and not perhaps starting enough games?
Yeah, it's been different. I've never experienced it before, and this is the first season I've experienced it. So yeah, it's been very awkward to be fair, because I'm not used to it, and obviously I don't like it. So it's been awkward, but as I say, I've learnt from it.
There's a lot of competition. Obviously, it's one of the symptoms of a big club that sometimes you find yourself on the edge of a squad rather than in the thick of it as you would prefer.
Yeah, definitely. Obviously, I think we've got 40 odd pros, and we've got a lot of good players, obviously. So yeah, it's difficult. It's different as well. So yeah, but that's another thing I've learned again this season.
Fair to say, though, that your Welsh achievements have sort of pulled you through in some of the moments when you haven't been fulfilled here. You've still continued to do very well with Wales.
Yeah, definitely. It's nice to go away sometimes when you're not playing at your club. Go away and get a game, and obviously to do well. And I've done that, and I've scored a few goals for them. And every time I've come back, I've been confident. And obviously, we've got some games coming up now in the summer, so I'm looking forward to them, and hopefully go away and score some more goals for them.